Countable nouns are super easy to grasp. You can count them one by one, like one dog or two dogs. They're key to forming basic sentences. On the flip side, uncountable nouns aren't countable and don't have plural forms. Think of stuff like water or information. They need specific quantifiers to make sense. To make it clearer, here are some examples of how we use countable and uncountable nouns in sentences. This shows how they fit into our daily conversations. Now, let's talk about collective nouns. They include cool terms like flock, team, family, and committee. These words help us describe groups in a fun way. Collective nouns can act as singular when we treat the group as a whole, like saying the team is winning. This shows they're united and working together. But wait, collective nouns can also be plural. When we focus on what each member does, we might say the team are celebrating. This highlights their different opinions and actions. Speaking of nouns, plural nouns usually end in s or es to show there's more than one. For example, students' books means books that belong to multiple students. Possessive nouns show ownership, and you do that by adding an apostrophe and s at the end. For example, the children's books makes it clear who owns the books. Finally, there are irregular plural nouns that don't follow the usual rules. Like man turns into men and tooth becomes teeth. They keep things interesting.